Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browse Your YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can add a white background in this video. Okay, I'll show you actually, I'm gonna be using this photo, and behind this photo, I'm gonna show you I can add a white background, right? So now let's jump right into this video. So what you have to do, enable effects panel here, and then go to generators, and here in generators we have texture background, but wait, because you have to make some changes. And now let's grab this image, drag it over the background we added, and then here let's disable this panel. And now if you zoom out, we can create, now go enable inspector, and here you can zoom in and zoom out. But I like to click on this on the transform tool so I can zoom out and zoom in faster. Okay, and now we have the background, but it's not white. So what you have to do is to select the background here, texture background, select it, and then and here gradient we have two color and gradient. Two color, select the type two color, and then here we have a couple of settings. Okay, gradient to color controls, and here in controls we have a contrast, bright color. Okay, you can make this bright, increase the contrast, and now and less detail, zero detail. And now we have a white background, and from here with gradient you can change the color. Let's say we have the same the buffer here, you can change color and go like this, back color white. You have two, you can add two colors or a gradient. But now in this video I'm just going to show you how you can a white background. So that's about it, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. I'll respond to every comment. So please, if you have any suggestions for the next tutorial, please let me know. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, and don't forget to subscribe. Oh, this will help a lot, this small YouTube channel. Thank you, and take care.